afternoon, call desk.
Is that the Bethel desk?
Yes,
Oh, how are you, sister?
very well. thank
Excuse
you.
the background music, but my friend is listening to music. Just a quick message. I don't know who you need to pass it on to, but you know the governing body of helpers. That they've got like different committees: personnel, publishing, coordinators committee, writing committee. Yeah.
Okay.
Have you heard of the brother called Paul Gillies on the coordinators committee? He's a Scottish chap. I was watching a video the other day about a safeguard thinking ability. It was really good.
Okay.
Yeah, so basically, I've been in sending him in emails. Now, I use Neo Email, which is a business email. He's been opening up my emails because I get red receipts. You know what they are? Like a notification. Now, he's opened my emails up 6 or 7 times to prove that Jerusalem wasn't destroyed in 607 and that his name Gillies in the Bible code, because I'm a Bible code expert against what Watchtower believe, that it doesn't exist. But then again, what do you expect when Watchtower's not inspired? Anyway, sister, I'm Jehovah God Almighty. Luke 1 verse 7:37 says, is it impossible? Done it again! Soon. Oh, I've got Watchtower on the run! They don't know what to do! That's why they put the phone down, because they know I'm Jehovah. There you go. Anyway, try the next one.